Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Mega2560 combined with the Arduino Uno through SPI and I2C. Also connected to breadboard with electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. Last time I managed to get SPI and I2C both working in connection right here. Through SPI I get it working with this motor and I2C with just some text, and that works. But now I have a little problem. I had to review all the connections I have and found that I now have a slight problem. Two motors are no longer working. This one and this one, because and that shouldn't be the case. This motor is not working either, as you can see. I had to review the wiring and found that they weren't working, running through the transistor as they should. So I rewired, and the result is, unfortunately, that they quit working. And I'm talking not about I2C or SPI, but pulse modulation, and that's not good. So I need to check on that. I can still try to get something working, and by all means let me try something by using this wire that I used a little while ago. Now I have to be careful not to rip out any other wires, and this is not working. Now as you can see, this is sometimes working. So let me try to put it up straight. This should be running through this one, and a fake sign is that this LED is not burning. So have I mixed these ones? I think so. And now this one goes. So whatever is going up in wiring, I don't really like it. This might be a sign that the transistor is gone, but I don't think so. Anyway, this one should be running as well. When I put it right here it works, but now it skips the transistor. For now I'll let it be because I need it. Well, not really need it. The focus is on I2C, but now it runs. So I2C printing just one thing, but I needed to control this LED. For that I focus on the Uno with a wire that I put in last time on port 3. Fortunately that works. Now I have also put two probes here for the data and the clock. So with the oscilloscope also on camera, let's see how things work out. And I'm very curious if I get everything working the way I like. So with first wiring a little bit trick. So this is working, and this here isn't working yet. I do focus on I2C. Two screens. If you have watched this series before, then you know what it is about. Watching the output of both boards at the same time. There's a little bit different. I connected the Uno first, so that is now ACM 0, and the Mega2560 after that, so that is now ACM 1. Anyway, enter, enter. And this is exactly what I expect. Hello. And this hello should be able to do some more from the side of the Uno. I already put digital out pin 3, I2C controlled pulse modulation LED, and this is the I2C part. So yes, hello, this is I2C. Although I have to make a little bit adjustment to that, I think, because this is now no longer 6 bytes. So there's nothing about that there. So this is initialize the wiring, then I go here, I2C 6 bytes. How many characters do I have here? This was 6, and I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 extra bytes. So I am going to 19. That should be working. So I should not only update this one, I should update this one as well. And for that I have to kill both screens. So I'm killing 5947, 5948, 5949 and 5950. This is, and that is. Okay, terminate all. Now, at first I have to select Mega2560. I select and support this one, upload. Then right here, select Uno, select port, upload. All fine. Then going back to screens, go, and yes, this is exactly what should happen. Although not exactly right. This is I2C, and I did not intend to have a double. Alright, now I have a single. Do I keep it single? Yes. Let's wait for it. Yes, alright. So that is good. Now the point is I want to digital write for now. Digital write this particular LED, which is wired through port 3. So let me put for now digital write. Is that correct? Yeah, because I put the digital out, so I can only put it high or low. Digital write. Digital out pin 3 high. Oh, that should be a capital according to this one. Then delay for how long? Because this will add up in the whole of the algorithm. So let's give it to 1 second. And then I have to put it low. Right. Now once again I have to kill ACM 0 in this case. Which is pick 3 or 7, pick 3 or 8. Right, terminate. Then, yep, upload. Done. And what will happen now when I put it on? Right, so now it should be working. The only thing is that this LED doesn't show anything, and that is a problem. I did test the LED and it behaves a little odd. It shows a varying color depending on the frequency you offer with pulse width modulation. So the higher the pulse, then you'll get a different color, but it doesn't show. Does it do anything anyway? Well, I assume so, since it also clearly says hello, this is I2C, like it does here. I also do assume that digital write is working. So what else? What else can I do? Maybe replace the LED. Might just as well. Although this one does work. Do I have other LEDs as well? Yes, but they are not proven correct. What I do is take another LED that is proven to work, and let's see how that works out. So I'm taking out this one, putting in this one, and let's see how that works out. It doesn't. So now it is time to actually put a probe on it and see if that is showing something. So does this show any signal at all? And for that I need, of course, this one, the blue line. And unfortunately the answer is I don't see a thing. Nothing at all. So when I change the time base, it's quiet. Absolutely quiet. That's not good. So what is wrong here? Let's check the code. Digital out pin 3. Digital small print out capital pin capital. And where do I go? This is the beginning. Another thing I have to look for is if it's not the LED, it could be the pin. So what pins do I have left? Well, I have 3, 5, 6, 19, 9, 10 and 11. 10 is occupied, 11 is occupied. 9 is being used, but how is 9 being used? Ah, 9 is being used. Six and 5 are being used, but only 6 is actively being used, and I think because I didn't get anything from 5. So how can I be sure that 3 is actively doing something? By trying. Is 5 actively being used now? I do not think so. So, right, I'm going to use 5. So here, no, not, yeah, no, not here, right here. Is it digital? No, it's analog. Well, it doesn't matter, with analog I can give a maximum value of 255, and 255 is the same as high. So that's no problem. That's no problem at all. So what I will do, and I need to be careful because there's a wire right here. Put this wire I need to be careful. Right there. It's in 5. So now I still have to adjust this and analog right, analog out in 5 to 55. And the same thing here, putting it to 0. So then I will know if everything goes fine that it is working. So I have to fill this one again. Six four zero eight 6409. Right. Upload. Program not responding. Right, once more. Okay, now it works. So, go. Does it do anything at all? It doesn't look like it. The LED isn't burning, so let me replace this LED back with this one. And not even a glimmer of light, which is of course quite disappointing. So what should I do if I can't control anything from there? be happy with I2C as it is? Not really, because I2C is much more than just sending text. I2C is used with a lot of components. And if I have two ports that don't work, with a delay of 1 second, doing something, and two LEDs that actually do work, yeah, that's a problem. And then I have put here a wire in the same lane as where this wire is coming from for the pulse width modulation. And I've put a probe, and guess what I see? Pulse width modulation. And this is analog out pin 5, which means it has a signal. So now I am going to put the wire back into out pin 3 to see if it has modulation. Because right now, although I have a full signal on this probe, this LED does nothing. What does pin 3 do? Pin 3 does nothing at all. Back to pin 5. With a little help. So pin 3 does do nothing. Pin 5 does do anything. I get a very nice fine signal. The only problem is, why doesn't the LED work? So I need to replace the LED. I can't put the value of pin 5 higher, for the simple reason that it is 8 bits and this is the maximum value. Something else is that this, let's see, 2 milliseconds. So let me put this to half a second. Ooh. One second, because I have here 1 second. So the signal is not high for 1 second, it's for much longer. And here also there are 2 spikes in the signal for the I2C. So let me bring the time base back to 100 milliseconds. Even further back. Now you get to see the waves. But not really the I2C. Anyway, this proves that the electronics is not showing what it should show, but the signal is good. And then we're at the end of this episode. So, what am I dealing with? First of all, 2 motors, here and here. that don't really do what they should do. Here, a motor that is currently skipping the transistor and is working as such, necessary for any SPI, etc. Then I2C probes that should measure data, the signal, but really doesn't yet anyway. And here pulse modulated control. The signal is there, proof is given, but the LED is a flaw. While the LED does work, I've shown, I have measured it, and it does work, just a bit strangely. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet and like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you and to show your support. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned depending on your monthly pledge, either just on my website with your name or on my website and with my video. And this is going to be continued. Thank you for watching and bye bye.